Got a parrot on the guy. Mate, could I get a picture of your parrot, please? A video on my YouTube channel. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. No way. Crazy. I've got a YouTube channel. Oh, wow. Guys just walking down the road, guys. Hashtag positive for life. Look at that beauty. Wow. That's crazy, mate.
Yeah,
wow. See that, bro? Wow. Anyway, let's get back to the betting shop. Bobby boy, just back for church. Just back for church. Got my wee book line on here. People will say, oh, you're a god man, what are you gambling for? Well, it's just a one-off, to be honest with you. Just a one-off. Just a one-off. Here's what I've got here. Up there. Number 5. Number 5. Sorry, bro. Come on, number 5. Come on. Ah, here we go, that's alright. Number 5. Get up there, my boy. So number 5 penalty, yes, my brother. My man. I'm sure that was penalty. Yes, class. Number 5. Hashtag positive life.